Hello everyone, it's me Siddhant and today I have come up with a new technological video, and in this video I am going to tell you that how you can make your first HTML file. So do not worry that HTML is so complicated thing how I can make or how I can learn HTML codes. So do not worry. Remember, there is a proverb saying the journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. So here also we are going to do that thing that we are going to in this video today. We are going to start a first step to HTML, and then gradually we will be learning more and more complicated and developed HTML tags. So today is going and today's video is going to be the chapter 1 of HTML coding, and in days to come I will be making chapter 2, chapter 3, I think up to chapter 10 I will be making, and then I will end this session. But today is going to be the first video, so now let's start the video without talking more. So if you are using Windows operating system or any operating system, go to the search panel and type notepad and hit enter, and notepad will appear. As we all know, notepad is a simple and reliable software for typing, and do you know that it is also used for writing HTML codes and tags? Now let's begin. So first, in HTML, at first we use two common terms, that is smaller than and greater than. So let's write these two terms now, and between them at first we write HTML, as we all know, and after that below, not, we can also write horizontally, but it is so difficult to analyze that, not for the computer but for us. Let's write vertically, and after below that we write head. What is head? It's not our body part, it's actually heading. Heading, you know, the banner in the heading, you can heading in the banner, you can say it's like a big title, but I'm not going to write that. I'm going to directly write title, and in the title I'm going to write my country, my pride. After writing this title, now let's close. Now you will wonder that first which one to close, head or title. You can close anyone, but I'm going to close title here. uh, oh no, title, and make sure you leave a space between two HTML tags. And now let's close this head. After this here you have to also make sure one thing, that if you write the HTML tag in small or capital, you have to also close the same HTML tag in the same case that you have typed at the in the beginning at first. So here after heading we are going to use another HTML tag, that is body, and in the body we write letters, words, sentences and paragraphs. So for paragraphs we use the HTML symbol or code, that is P. You can write in a small case or uppercase. I am going to write in uppercase, and here in you can write that, oh, what is happening here? uh, my country's name is Nepal. Okay, after writing this you can write full stop and leave a space and close the respective tab. After you can again write another paragraph, and here you can write the my country is very rich in natural and natural and cultural duties. Okay, oh no, yes. Now let's close this. Oh no, what is happening? Okay, now after this much doing, you can also write again. Let's write again one paragraph. um don't worry, it's not very you can, it's not very like hard thing, you can say it's not very complicated thing, right? Here you can see too much tags. You can write these all these sentences in one tag only, but here I am going to, just for demo I am going to show. So here I am going to write like uh, mountain Nepal. So after going to this, I'm going to close this. And now it's time to close body. Now at last, as we all know, HTML document. But before HTML, closing this HTML, make sure that you have closed all the HTML tags. Now our HTML coding is not end here, but for a moment we have completed our this HTML file or document, let's say as anything. Now here in the menu bar you can see file option, click there and click on save as, or directly you can click Ctrl Shift and S, and here in the file name you can give a file name to it. Let's me give it Nepal, and you can in the extension, without leaving any space, type dot html, and here save as type. Make sure you hit the option all files and choose the file location and click on save. Here this type of name is all existing, so I'm going to change my file name. Oh, let me change into nation.html, and I'm going to hit on save. After, here you can see our current HTML file here. Now the after you have done these steps successfully and carefully, uh, in my PC I have set up the default browser as Microsoft Edge, so it has saved in this symbol. You can open it with any browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Firefox, etc. So I'm going to just click on this, and now you are getting the output result. Voila! Now here you can see my country's name is Nepal. My country is very oh wow, water. So here let me compare these two. Here you can see, to write these three sentences after HTML, I had I have to write so many HTML tags. So after my hard work, my this in output result, I have now got this my result, as you can see information. So you can this was the first chapter 1 of HTML coding. So I will be making further videos. Please do not miss to watch any of those videos. So I hope you have learned many things. I think this video is going to be blockbuster for the beginners to learn HTML coding. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.